Carol Ann. Are you going to talk? Huh?
Yes, I'm going to talk.
You were just talking up a storm. You had so much to say not 2 minutes ago.
That's for the remote. That is only one for the remote.
Where are you going? Are you running somewhere?
Oh, why is that?
Where are you going? Are you going to talk to me?
This one doesn't work.
Are you going to talk to me?
I know this one doesn't work, Mommy.
It does work.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
This one works.
Well, what you doing?
This remote.
Are you so happy right now? Yeah. Yeah, are you so happy right now? Oh, now you want to talk? So what are you going to say? What are you going to say? You're not talking anymore.